God of War Ragnarok will still come out this year, report says. It hasn't moved to 2023, according to Bloomberg. Is this a big game for you?
Yeah, this is a fun game on Sony, PlayStation.
Yeah.
Have you
Because
played
you're
it
a big
before?
God of War guy.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I
Yeah.
never played.
Kratos.
I never played. You're running around.
Really?
You're smashing things.
Yes. It also comes with a really good story, very similar to
Oh,
Uncharted in a way.
you
It's
know
single
what?
player.
I did play the beginning once for, I think, a PlayStation. Does this make sense for a PlayStation 5 video or an Xbox Series X video at the
Yeah.
old studio? I played the beginning and it was very dramatic. He was like burying
Yeah.
a small child or something.
His wife.
Oh, his wife. Okay.
Yeah.
It was a small wife.
Yeah. Yeah, this is like a different take on it because before it was like Greek mythology and now it's like North.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
So this guy is it all hand-to-hand combat or does he ever get like a weapon or a bow and arrow or something?
he has an axe.
See, it's always hand-to-hand.
He has a little partner, his son, and he has the bow.
That's the guy I was thinking of.
Yeah. But
Oh.
it's a computer.
Somebody just said his wife is a giant, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never
It's
mind.
got giant's blood.
Oh, okay. Never
You know
mind.
what I mean?
Never mind. I
You
was
should follow it.
I think I was mixing because the kid was tiny, but then the bot, like whoever he was burying, I couldn't. I guess I kind of merged the two together.
Yeah. Well, it's a great story.
Yes.
Like overall, if you're into stories.
No, I mean this thing has gotten all types of awards and attention, and people love this thing.
It's a great game.
Yeah,
Or a great series of games.
Yeah. So you're excited for the next one.
Mm-hmm.
And they say it's not going to take them until 2023. They're still targeting 2022. So you have a game to look forward to.
Yes. It's very exciting.
Yeah, these are hard to make, these games.
Mm-hmm.